welcome to the music workshop of the Belonging Project. In this workshop, I will be teaching you a song called Naya Rasta. The full video of the song is available to watch in the resource pack. In this workshop, I will be teaching you a shorter version of the song. Before that, let me give you a brief introduction of Indian notes. There are 7 music notes or musical sounds called swar or swaras. They are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. These musical sounds correspond to the Western musical sounds which are do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. So let's try out singing the Indian swaras or musical sounds. One, two, three, start. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. If you would like, you can sing on your own. 1, 2, 3, go. So let's begin learning the song. One, two, three, start. Sa, 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 ni, 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 re, 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 sa, 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 sa. Now let's try singing it without music, the same notes. 1, 2, 3, start. Sa, 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 ni, 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 re, 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 sa, 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 sa. Okay, now let's try singing it with music one more time. One, two, three, go. Sa, 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 ni, 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 re, 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 sa, 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 sa. Now after these we need to learn the first line, that is Naya Rasta, Naya Karwa. Naya means new, Rasta means route. And then there is again the word Naya, which means new. Karwa, Karwa is a group of people moving ahead together. So if you can repeat the lyrics after me. So Naya Rasta, Naya Karwa. Okay, so now let's see how the melody of this line goes. Naya Rasta, Naya Karma. Okay, so without music. Naya Rasta, Naya Karma. Okay, so I'll say it again. Naya Rasta. Can you say it? 1, 2, 3. And then Naya Karma. Naya Karwa. Say it. 1, 2, 3, go. Now put it together. Naya Rasta, Naya Karwa. 1, 2, 3. Naya Rasta, Naya Karwa. So your turn. 1 and 2 and 3 and go. So let's try and do this with music now. So let's do it one more time. नया रास्ता नया कारवां. Okay, so let's do it one more time with music. One, two, three. नया रास्ता नया कारवां नई मंजिलें सब है यहाँ. So after नया रास्ता नया कारवां, the words are नई. Can you say that with me? नई. And then नई is again new. मंजिलें means destinations. Okay, so मंजिलें. Can you repeat it after me? मंजिलें. Your turn? Yeah. Okay, so let's do it without music. So नई मंजिलें. Okay, नई मंजिलें. And after that the words are सब है यहाँ. So that means all of it is here only. Okay, so नई मंजिलें सब. Sub would be easy because it's like just sub, sub, but sub in Hindi means everything. Sab hai with a little n sound at the end. Hai yahan. Okay, sab hai yahan. So let's put it all together right from the word naya rasta without music. So 1, 2, 3. नया रास्ता नया कारवां नई मंजिलें सब है यहाँ. Okay, you want to try? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try it with music now. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. नया रास्ता नया कारवां नई मंजिलें सब है यहाँ. Okay, after this there are a few syllables that I mentioned in the beginning. It doesn't mean anything. They are just random syllables and they sound like rut, tut, ta-na-na. Rut, tut, ta-na-na. Can you say after me? Rut, tut, ta-na-na. Yeah. So rut, tut, ta-na-na. Dere, dum, ta-na-na. Rut, tut, ta-na-na. Okay. So these are rut, tut, ta-na-na. Dere, dum, ta-na-na. Rut, tut, ta-na-na. And this is we need to repeat it twice. Okay, and the melody of Ruttuttanana goes like Ruttuttanana Diridum Tanana Ruttuttanana. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Ruttuttanana Diridum Tanana Ruttuttanana. Again. Ruttuttanana Diridum Tanana Ruttuttanana. 1, start. and again. Okay, so let's try and put the whole thing together that we have learned till now, right from the very beginning. So right from the swaras sa sa ni ni re re sa, and then the words naya rasta, naya karwa, nayi manzile, sab hai yahan, and then the syllables ruttuttanana deridumtanana ruttuttanana. Okay, so here we go. One, two, three, start. Sa, 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 ni, 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 re, 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 sa, 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 sa. One, two, three. Naya rasta, naya karwa, नई मंजिलें सब है यहाँ. रुत्तुत्तानना देरिदुम्ताना रुत्तुत्तानना, रुत्तुत्तानना देरिदुम्ताना रुत्तुत्तानना. And then after that ruttuttanana, we keep on repeating naya rasta. Same line repeats again. So let's do it. Then naya rasta. And then we will move on to one more line, and then we are pretty much done with the song. So let's do it one more time from the very beginning. Sa, 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 ni, 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 re, 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 sa, 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 sa. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Naya rasta, naya karwa, nayi manzile, sab hai yahan. Ruttuttanana deridumtana ruttuttanana, ruttuttanana deridumtana ruttuttanana. Naya rasta, naya karwa, nayi manzile, sab hai yahan. Now the melody is pretty much the same, the words are different. So the next set of words are rukna nahi kabhi haar ke. So rukna nahi kabhi haar ke means you don't, so never give up, keep on moving. Doesn't matter if you are facing lots of hurdles or obstacles in your life. Okay, so rukna, rukna. Can you say the word rukna? Nahi kabhi haar के. So रुकना नहीं कभी हार के, and it goes like रुकना नहीं कभी हार के. Okay, so more or pretty much same like Naya Rasta, and the melody is exactly the same. So and the last line is संग है तेरे सारा जहां. So that means the whole world is with you. So we are all together. Okay. So sang, sung like S-U-N-G, sung. But sung is a Hindi word. So sung means the whole world is with you. So with you is sung. Hai tere sara jahan. Okay. So sung, your turn. Hai तेरे सारा जहां. Okay, so let's see how it sounds together. So संग है तेरे, okay, संग है तेरे सारा जहां, and then after that the hook line, which is the random syllables, Ruttuttana comes. Okay, so we need to keep on repeating Ruttuttanana again and again. Okay, so let's see how the whole thing sounds from Rukna Nahi. Rukna nahi kabhi haar ke sang hai tere sara jahan, and then back to Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Okay, let's try and do this the Rukna nahi thing with the music. Okay. One, two, three. रुकना नहीं कभी हार के संग है तेरे सारा जहां. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana, and again Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. One more time. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Okay, now that's the whole song. In fact, this is the shorter version of the song, but even if you are able to learn a few lines, that would be great. And there is also a track on its own, and if you have your own words to fit in, please feel free to fit in your own words or any instrument that you play. So maybe you may be able to fit in. So there are lots of options. So consider that the song belongs to you. And let's before we come to the end of this video, of this workshop, let's try to sing the whole song right from the very beginning. Okay, are you ready? Okay, hope you are. Okay, let's here you go. Let's do it from the beginning. Sa 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 ni 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 re 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 sa 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 sa. One, two, three. नया रास्ता, नया कारवां, नई मंजिलें सब है यहाँ. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. नया रास्ता, नया कारवां, नई मंजिलें सब है यहाँ. रुकना नहीं कभी हार के संग है तेरे सारा जहां. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. We would like all the workshop participants to learn the song as it is, and you can record it in your voice, or you can try putting in different words in the song. नया रास्ता, नया कारवां, नई मंजिलें सब है यहाँ. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. Ruttuttanana dirdum tana Ruttuttanana. It's beautiful. If you like, you can also try this song on an instrument, any instrument like maybe violin, saxophone, guitar, ukulele, any instrument of your own choice.
ने रास्ता ने कारवा ने मंजिले सब ये यहाँ रुतुताना तितुताना रुतुताना ना रुतुताना तितुताना रुतुताना ना ने रास्ता ने कारवा ने मंजिले सब ये यहाँ रुकना नहीं कब हार के सिमरे तेरे सारा जहां रुतुताना तितुताना रुतुताना रुतुताना तितुताना रुतुताना.
Once you have learned this song or maybe tried playing it on the instrument of your choice, you can record the audio or the video and send it to us. All the information regarding how and where to send the audio and video recordings is given in this resource pack. So please go through that, and we look forward to receive all the wonderful recordings. In addition to the music workshop, there are some wonderful workshops as a part of this project. So we have craft workshops as well as storytelling workshops. If you would like to have information of any of the workshops, please visit Art Asia's website or contact Pooja Angra via email on education@artasia.org.uk. Thank you.